Hello everyone. Hello. It's your one and only Lady Joe. If you are not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and hit the notification bell. My people. Yeah. This hush puppy wey you just the rain for everywhere is so this hush puppy now 419 4120 ever since nobody even know. People just dey feel say the way the guy take dey see money maybe na real money we no even know say this boy na wetin him dey do na be this one. Hey, see money wey this boy be wan go play people again. See big money wey this hush puppy abi hush name I no know wetin dem dey call am. See money wey this boy be wan go carry again wey dey take cash am so. My people, so nobody be know say this boy na yahoo guy. The way this guy take dey gouge me myself, I dey shock lies when I go see am. I was say like seriously, I go dey say how this guy take dey see money. He go dey fly private jet, dey fly different. The way this boy take dey even the guy too gallant really. This boy no dey wear cloth wey be say e no be designer. E no dey wear cloth wey be say no be marker. All e cloth na real marker. This go wear Gucci for finish na e body you see am. Wear Fendi for finish na e body you go see am. Wear Versace for finish na e body. This guy dey gouge. E best na Gucci. This guy dey gouge. This hush puppy. So you na 4120 ever since. Hey, my people. You know what they say? Oyibo go say na fraudster. As in yahoo guy. Like this boy be ever since. Nobody be know. Yeah, when I see the video, I choked lies again. My people. So this hush puppy, e 4120 part 2 not there. See big money when he be wan go play again wey dey take cash and so. The funny part, even na dey do something, una go do. Una go even don't make money. Una no go stop. Why? Una go do something. Una go don't make money. Una no go say make una stop. No. Now that time una go even continue again. You go as far as say you don't already make money for something, you go stop. No. Una no go stop. Una go still continue. Una go still continue until when they go come catch you now. Let them still catch that wetin they call am. That man where they go kidnap people for Nigeria that time. Now they catch that one that time too. This one now, because that one he don't make money, he no gree stop. He still continue until when they come catch am. That one na big people in the evil they catch sef. Big people, big fish. All those politicians, all those people wey be say they eat our money, but he no gree stop until when they come catch am. See hush puppy now. You say you come for poor background, and so you come for poor home, you not to get money, all those things. That make you come dey do all those things. But at least as you don't make money for something, you supposed to stop. You not gree stop. You can't continue. You can't continue to where they can't cash you. My people. Maybe we see they use our HQ now. Maybe they use our sense really. You don't do something. You don't suppose to continue again. As far as say you don't make money for the thing, you go stop. No, our African people not go stop. Oliver Twist always want some more. They not go stop. They go come continue. And then they go come continue until when they go come cash them. When they go cash them, their body go come tell them that time. When they go cash them, their body go come tell them that time. You don't to do something. You don't go stop. See her now, they don't cash you now. The update now when me they hear now say they want transfer them to whether America be Nigeria. No say different story now with the year. Say they want transfer them now to Nigeria, because if they transfer them to go Nigeria, you not sure say that you go see if you face the law. Not be they can't use wuru money to bail am, because wetin me the year they say they want collect everything from am. Everything. Hi. Yeah, hush puppy now so you can't end your life. If they collect everything from me, not be square one, you go start again now. And square one, no my people, square one. Now you go come start again. That suffer where you feel come out from, you can start from there again. Except say maybe you don't save money somewhere where be say they not fit even collect. Because if they collect everything from you, my dear, go hard oh. You go hard, my people. Hi. Hush puppy. You don't make money. You not stop. You see, continue. My people. So why they do this video be say you will be say you see they do this kind of work. If you don't make money, remove hand before they go cash you. Before they go cash you. If you don't make money, remove hand. Una not go remove hand, una go still continue. Thank you everybody, my people. Take care, bye everybody. Share this video for me. Let this video go viral because our African people, they do something, they not go stop. If you do something, one day for the thief, one day for the owner. Thank you everybody. Take care, bye. And what do you think about this Hush Puppy own? You can leave your comments for the comment section, my people, because this Hush Puppy dance step, he passed Joromi really. I say if una see this guy, I go put some video more and see now. You know they wear any cloth. You know they wear cloth wey no Gucci. Wear Gucci for finish na your body, now you go see am. Wear cloth for finish na your body, now you go see am. You know they wear cloth wey baby say the thing no na lie na. Not be Hush Puppy we dey talk. He almost gallant. He cloth, you know the part two, not the damn. See where for how it end the life now. See how it end am now. If they collect everything from Hush Puppy now, where you go start from? Again, you go start for square one. Square one, now you go start. Hush Puppy, you see how you can't end your life. You see how you take end am. You see how you can't end am. If they say more na they pull na hand for good place, una no go hear. Una go like to the pull na hand for all those baba things. You don't make money for something. You still want to go carry money where they say, I guess they say that money when the account when you go enter again, when they want to collect big money. So that money where they want to help people for this Okoro where they happen. Now the account, now you go call, now you go put hand. Now they take cash am so. You see, one day for the thief, one day for the owner. You know they even they carry small fish, big one. Now you they go. You don't see money. Wetin come be your problem again? We be say you no come feel rest for this business until when they come cash you now. Now your eye come neat now. Una what they do for 419. Una what they do for 419. Una what they do for 419. Now advice I want give una. If you don't do something, you don't make money for something. Rest. No continue again. Rest. Una no go rest. No. Una go still continue until when they go come gbab una. When they go come cash una before una eye go come neat. See Hush Puppy now. Mona use Hush Puppy take get sense. So even all those friends, all of them they live big. This boy really live big. He really enjoy the money. Now they see when they go date this thing, they use they clean the face. They go they use the oibo. They go they clean the face. They remove pimples. They remove things for your face. The guy, he really live big. I say me, I say how this guy till they make money, God. How this guy till they make money? That is when I go see him at the trip. I'll say, God, how this guy till they make money? We never even know saying I'm 4120 ever since. He even 4120 past Joromi. Hey, Hush Puppy. See how you can't end them now. See as you can't end them now. See as you can't end them now. Now, please the way you not come expect. Cannot be you there now. Then they carry you everywhere now. See how you can't put disgrace for yourself. See how you can't put disgrace for yourself now. So when I use this Hush Puppy, you take get sense so. 4120 people now they talk to because I don't want to talk for this thing before, but the thing I can say no, I need to still give our people advice. May they still receive sense. Because this many youth no one work again. They just believe on all this 419. Who go school, no one use the school to work again. Nothing. They just believe on this one. But I know that because say the work not the Africa. Now they make una they do this thing. But Mona get sense o. Mona stop to the if una don make money, stop. Just forget about the thing wey you don already make money. Just start, just as in, at least make we still see one company wey the hush puppy even get. No be say just so cloth, so cloth. Make we still see company wey you see build, no, nothing. You just carry the money take dey flex. Eh? You get that kind of money, no fit open one big company for Nigeria there. No, no, my people. Thank you, everybody. Take care. Bye, everybody. Bye. And always put thumbs up for my video. So, anything you think about this video, you can put your comments for the comment section. Bye.